Hey, it's Liv with WTI, and my nails were in serious need of some help until I got this cuticle oil from Cuccio. It really helped to nourish and hydrate my cuticle while also adding moisture to my nail. So now my nails are stronger and longer than ever, and my nail bed is super hydrated and healthy looking. Another thing that I really like about this oil is that it absorbs into your skin really well. So it doesn't leave you with any kind of residue and it doesn't leave your hands feeling oily afterwards, like you need to wash them. It also comes in this super cute little bottle. So I like to just leave this on my vanity and I use it every night on both my hands and my feet. And it lasts a really long time. So a little bit goes a very long way with this oil. I use like 1 drop per hand pretty much. And it also smells really good. So it's a milk and honey scent, so it's super calming, super natural, very gentle and not too perfumey. I have very sensitive skin. I'm really sensitive to perfumes and stuff like that. So one thing I look for when I'm shopping is natural ingredients, which is what this is made with. And another thing is that it's also cruelty and paraben free, which I really like. And that's my point of view.